Y'all remember the world's best bread? Well, your girl just got her first brand box, and let's unbox it together. This might just be another day for you, but this is one exciting day for me. I want to start off by saying how thankful and appreciative I am for this. But now, let's get into this box. That best bread I was telling y'all about, you know they had to send me some. This oven mitt and cutting board, I'm never using this. I'm putting this somewhere in my house so I can just look at it, because I'm so thankful. Now, King's Hawaiian, how you know your girl couldn't see? I'm always needing one of these for my glasses. These pens and bag, saving this too good. In whatever you want to accomplish, always remain consistent. Who's ready for the next recipe? Stay tuned. Thanks, King's Hawaiian.